Hello, fellow gamers and crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, your ultimate destination for the latest and greatest in the world of play-to-earn games. If you're new here, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on notifications so you won't miss out on any of our future updates. In the ever-evolving landscape of gaming, one game has recently caught the attention of both gamers and crypto enthusiasts alike. That game is Meta Theft Auto. This isn't your typical gaming experience. Meta Theft Auto combines the immersive, action-packed environment of the beloved GTA San Andreas with the innovative and exciting world of blockchain technology. But what sets Meta Theft Auto apart from other games? It's the play-to-earn model. This game allows you to earn real-world value through your in-game achievements. It's not just about completing missions, winning races, or dominating in gang warfare. It's about turning your gaming skills into tangible rewards. So whether you're a seasoned gamer looking for a new challenge, a crypto enthusiast eager to explore new earning opportunities, or someone who's just curious about the intersection of gaming and blockchain technology, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to delve deep into the world of Meta Theft Auto. We'll explore its gameplay, its blockchain integration, its community, and most importantly, how you can earn while playing. So sit back, relax, and let's embark on this exciting journey together. Let's get started. Now, let's delve into the heart of Meta Theft Auto, the gameplay. If you're a fan of the Grand Theft Auto series, particularly GTA San Andreas, you're in for a treat. Meta Theft Auto draws heavy inspiration from this iconic game, delivering an environment that's both familiar and excitingly new. In Meta Theft Auto, the world is your oyster. You can explore the sprawling metaverse, engage in various activities, and interact with other players. The game offers a wide range of activities that will be familiar to any GTA fan. You can take on thrilling missions, participate in high-speed street races, engage in intense gang warfare, and even plan and execute daring heists. Each activity is designed to provide an engaging and immersive gaming experience. But Meta Theft Auto isn't just about action and adventure. It's about earning real-world value from your in-game achievements. As you complete missions, win races, and succeed in other activities, you earn into tokens. These aren't just in-game points or credits. They're tokens with real-world value that you can trade on various exchanges. This means that your gaming skills and achievements can translate into tangible rewards. But the earning opportunities in Meta Theft Auto don't stop there. The game also offers a unique feature where players can own and govern their land, collaborate with allies, and earn rewards through various activities. The land you own isn't just a virtual asset. It's represented by NFTs, which you can trade, sell, or lease to other players. This creates a dynamic, player-driven economy within the game, offering even more ways to earn. So whether you're a fan of action, packed missions, high-speed races, strategic governance, or social collaboration, Meta Theft Auto has something for you. And the best part, you can earn while you play. It's not just a game, it's a whole new way to game. Meta Theft Auto isn't just a game. It's a testament to the power of blockchain technology in the gaming industry. Built on the Ethereum blockchain, Meta Theft Auto offers a secure and transparent platform for all in-game transactions. The game's native token, HOMTA, is an ERC-20 token, which is a popular standard for creating tokens on the Ethereum blockchain. This means that SHIMTA tokens can be easily traded on any exchange that supports ERC-20 tokens. But the blockchain integration in Meta Theft Auto goes beyond just transactions. The game also utilizes non-fungible tokens, or INFs, to represent ownership of in-game assets. This includes the land that players can own and govern. These INFs can be bought, sold, or traded on the game's marketplace, providing players with a tangible sense of ownership and control over their in-game assets. This integration of blockchain technology not only enhances the gaming experience, but also provides players with real-world earning opportunities. It's a perfect example of how blockchain technology is revolutionizing the gaming industry. One of the most exciting aspects of Meta Theft Auto is its vibrant and active community. The game is not just about individual play. It's about forming alliances, collaborating with other players, and being part of a thriving online community. In Meta Theft Auto, players can form alliances to complete missions, participate in races, or engage in gang warfare. These alliances not only enhance the gameplay experience, but also provide opportunities for social interaction and collaboration. The game also hosts regular community events where players can come together to compete, collaborate, and celebrate. These events often offer additional earning opportunities, making them a highlight for many players. Furthermore, the game's marketplace provides a platform for players to interact, trade, and negotiate. Whether you're buying, selling, or trading land, cars, or other in-game assets, the marketplace is a hub of activity and interaction. In Meta Theft Auto, you're not just a player, you're a part of a community. It's this sense of community that makes the game more than just a gaming experience. It's a social experience. Meta Theft Auto is a game that's constantly evolving. The developers are always working on new updates, adding new features, and improving the gameplay experience. Recently, they've been focusing on expanding the game's metaverse, adding new missions, races, and activities for players to enjoy. One of the most exciting updates is the introduction of new land ownership and governance features. Players can now own and govern their land, represented by NFTs, and earn rewards through various activities. This update has added a whole new dimension to the game, providing players with more ways to earn and more ways to earn and more ways to engage with the game. But the developers of Meta Theft Auto aren't stopping there. They have big plans for the future. They're planning to add more features, expand the game's metaverse, and continue to improve the gameplay experience. They're also planning to host more community events, providing players with more opportunities to come together, compete, and earn rewards. So, whether you're already a player or thinking about joining, there's a lot to look forward to in Meta Theft Auto. It's not just a game, it's a constantly evolving metaverse with endless opportunities for fun and earning. And there you have it, folks. That's our deep dive into the world of Meta Theft Auto. This game is truly a testament to the power of blockchain technology and the potential of play-to-earn gaming. With its immersive gameplay, blockchain integration, vibrant community, and real-world earning opportunities, Meta Theft Auto is more than just a game. It's a revolution in the gaming industry. Whether you're a seasoned gamer looking for a new challenge, a crypto enthusiast eager to explore new earning opportunities, or someone who's just curious about the intersection of gaming and blockchain technology, Meta Theft Auto has something to offer you. So why not give it a try? Explore the metaverse, complete missions, win races, earn into tokens, and become a part of the vibrant Meta Theft Auto community. Who knows? You might just find your next big gaming adventure. That's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos on play to earn games and blockchain technology. Until next time, keep gaming, keep earning,